Howard University is a great customer of ours, and we've been working together for a number of years. When they had their heat gain issues, they just said, look, this glass is allowing in way too much heat. We need to do something. When we start talking about putting window film on the windows, the first thing people think is it's really dark. That's almost always the first thing people go to because they think about car tint and it being dark. But that's a misconception. A lot of the window films we have are virtually clear, and they can block up to 80% of the heat coming through the glass. So it's really incredible how the technology has shifted. In this case, we went with like a medium shade film that had almost an 80% solar energy rejection. So you're talking about impact, that's huge on that commercial space. Really, the only way they would have ever been able to get anything close to that is by putting blackout blinds on the glass. And then that reduces the visible light, and then they have to put the lights on them more, and so you have this other cascade of issues. And so that's why we really felt like window film was a great fit for Howard. They just want to filter out the heat. We're able to leverage an exclusive product that we have access to through our LLumar Select Pro dealership. That's something we've been working with Eastman, who makes LLumar window film. We've worked with them for at least 20 years and just have an amazing relationship. And they actually have a program called Select Pro that holds dealers to a much higher standard. That's really been great because it's a give and take. And so they're holding us to a high standard, but there's also delivering really high quality products and giving exclusive access to those products. And so in this case, we used one. And so what that allows us to do is deliver a longer warranty, slightly better performance and aesthetics. And so that's something that we really are happy to be able to deliver to Howard University.